I'm Ms. Matsuoka, and I'm going to teach you about how to convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. First, you might be wondering, what's exponential form, what's logarithmic form? So we're going to go over here to kind of figure out what this means. This right here is exponential form. As you can see, there's an exponent here, and this is logarithmic form. As you can see, there's a log here. Now, some of you might still be wondering, okay, great, but what is a log? So, a log, or logarithm, it was first created in order to solve problems like this. Because right now, you don't really know how to solve problems like this when you have an x and the exponent. So that's kind of how logarithms started. As you can see, there's no exponents here. The x is by itself now. So that's really the nice thing about logarithms. It's a way to get this x from the exponent to a place that's by itself so you can actually solve for it now. So, again, this is exponential form, that's logarithmic form. Let me show you a more familiar example so you kind of know what I'm talking about and you kind of understand a little bit better about how the log works. So if I get 2 to the third power, that gives me 8. If I convert this to logarithmic form, it's going to be log base 2 of 8 equals 3. So you can kind of see here, like this right here, this is the base. So the 2 is the base. The 3 is the exponent. And the 8 was the answer. So that's how we're really working with this. Like we have log base 2 of 8 equals 3. So the 3 was the exponent, it kind of went outside here. The 2 is the base, we call it the base in both of them. And the 8 is really the answer here. So when we convert it to logarithmic form, oh, by the way, this can be converted both ways. So when we convert it to logarithmic form specifically, you can do this type of spiral pattern. So you don't have to just blindly memorize where everything goes. So it goes log base A of B is equal to x. So log base A of B equals x. And the spiral really just shows you the order in which you write everything. So again, we have log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Let's look at a couple examples here. So we have this one right here. It's very similar to what we were just looking at. So we're going to start with this right here, right? So it's log base 2. The 5 came next, so of 5 is equal to x. So that's our first one. Here's our next example. So again, we have log base 3 of 2x plus 4. So we're writing the whole thing down. So yeah, there's multiple things here, but we're writing the whole thing down right here. And that's equal to this whole thing, x minus 5. Here is your bonus question. Just convert that to from exponential form to logarithmic form. Good luck.